Ever found yourself tossing and turning, desperately waiting for sleep to come? What if I told you there's a technique developed by the US military that can help you fall asleep in just 2 minutes, even in the most challenging environments? Intrigued? Let's dive into the science of sleeping better, faster. Welcome to SleepWired, where we explore the fascinating world of sleep science and share practical tips to optimize your rest. Today, we're breaking down a military technique designed to help soldiers, often in stressful and uncomfortable conditions, fall asleep quickly. We'll also explore 3 backup methods if the military method doesn't quite do the trick for you. The military sleep method was specifically crafted for soldiers who needed to rest under less than ideal circumstances. The technique is simple yet effective when practiced consistently. Here's how it works. 1. Relax your face. Start by consciously relaxing every muscle in your face, from your forehead to your jaw. Studies suggest that facial tension can significantly impact your ability to relax overall. In fact, a study published in the journal Behavior Research and Therapy found that muscle relaxation can decrease stress and promote sleep. 2. Drop your shoulders. Release any tension in your shoulders and allow your arms to fall naturally to the side. Relaxing the shoulders can reduce the stress in your upper body, signaling to your brain that it's time to wind down. 3. Exhale and relax your chest. Focus on your breathing. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let the tension in your chest dissolve. Slow, controlled breathing is a cornerstone of relaxation techniques and has been shown in numerous studies to aid in sleep onset. 4. Relax your legs. Starting from your thighs, consciously relax each muscle, working your way down to your toes. This progressive relaxation method is supported by research published in the Journal of Sleep Research, which highlights its effectiveness in reducing sleep onset latency. 5. Clear your mind. Finally, spend about 10 seconds trying to clear your mind of any active thoughts. Visualize a calming scene, like lying in a canoe on a serene lake, or repeat a simple phrase like, don't think, for 10 seconds. Cognitive behavioral therapy studies have shown that visualization and repetitive thoughts can prevent intrusive thinking, which often keeps us awake. The power of the military sleep method lies in its combination of physical relaxation and mental calmness. By systematically relaxing your body and mind, it taps into the autonomic nervous system, effectively switching off the fight or flight response and engaging the rest and digest mode. This state is crucial for falling asleep quickly and deeply. If the military method doesn't work immediately, don't worry. Here's another scientifically backed technique, the 4-7-8 breathing method. This method involves inhaling for 4 seconds, holding the breath for 7 seconds, and exhaling slowly for 8 seconds. Developed by Dr. Andrew Wallen based on pranayama breathing exercises, this technique increases your body's oxygen levels, slows the heart rate, and calms the nervous system. A study in the Journal of Clinical Psychology found that controlled breathing techniques like this can significantly reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. Another effective technique is the body scan, a form of mindfulness meditation. This involves mentally scanning your body from head to toe, acknowledging any tension areas, and consciously relaxing them. Research from the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health suggests that mindfulness practices like the body scan can increase sleep efficiency and reduce insomnia severity. Sometimes, trying too hard to sleep can be counterproductive. Enter the 10-minute rule. If you can't fall asleep in 10 minutes, get out of bed and do a calming activity like reading or listening to soothing music. This method prevents the negative association between your bed and sleeplessness, a concept supported by cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia. The military sleep method, combined with these backup techniques, offers a robust toolkit for overcoming sleepless nights. Remember, consistency is key. Practicing these methods regularly will condition your body and mind to fall asleep more quickly, even in difficult environments. Thank you for tuning in to SleepWired. We hope these techniques help you unlock the restful sleep you deserve. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more science-backed sleep tips. Sweet dreams, and we'll see you in the next video.